Today's tutorial, how to copy cells using IronXL. How's it going, everyone? In this tutorial, we'll learn how to copy cells, columns, and ranges using the IronXL library in a .NET application. Before we begin, make sure to include the necessary imports, and don't forget to set your IronXL license key to enable the full features of the library. Once the license key is set, we load an Excel file, sample.xlsx, into a workbook object, and select the worksheet where we want to perform our copy operations. In this case, we'll be working with sheet 1. So let's start by copying the content of a single cell. For instance, you can copy the content from cell A1 to another cell like B12. You can also copy other cells like C10 to B13. Moreover, IronXL allows copying entire columns. For example, you can copy column A and paste it into H1. Similarly, you can copy an entire row, such as row 4, and paste it to A15. You can even copy a two-dimensional range like D6 to F8 to another part of the worksheet, such as H17. So once you perform the copy operations, save the workbook as copyCellRange.slsx to verify the copied range. Additionally, you can copy content across worksheets. For instance, copying data from A1 in sheet 1 to B3 in sheet 2 is also supported. So let's run the application to observe how the content is copied across the worksheets. And there you have it. You successfully learned how to copy single cells, columns, rows, and ranges using IronXL. Keep experimenting with different ranges and worksheets for your projects. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description, check it out for yourself.